Do you want to know how you can access Google Gemini Privacy Hub? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access Google Gemini Privacy Hub. Go ahead and open Google Gemini, which is on your phone. Now click on your profile, which you can see on the top right hand side, and you can see something called Privacy Hub over here. To access your Privacy Hub, tap on this option and you can see that this is the Privacy Hub of Gemini apps. Now you can read these articles and get the info about your problems. It's quite easy, guys. Let me show it to you again. Go ahead and open Gemini, tap on your profile on the top right hand side. There is something called Privacy Hub. Tap on it and you can open Gemini Apps Privacy Hub. You can read the table of contents, the privacy policy, terms of services, your location information, uploaded files, generated images, extensions, and whatnot. You can also read the privacy note if you scroll a bit down, and there are a lot of hyperlinks over here, so you can click on any of these hyperlinks and it will extend and it might help you to solve your problems quite easily. This was a video on how you can access Google Gemini Privacy Hub. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.